Donegal County Council have said they won't have funds available to pay for the clean-up and repair operation in Gweedore following yesterday's flash floods. Tonight, a spokesman said they hope to receive government funding once the damage had been assessed. There was major damage to many roads and buildings after heavy rain caused rivers to overflow their banks.
Parts of Gweedore in northwest Donegal were unrecognisable last night when 3 hours of heavy rain left the parish in chaos. Roads were swept away in the Derrybeg area and the old chapel building was left under 10 feet of water as the river burst its banks around 5 o'clock. People were left stranded as secondary roads were closed and several bridges were swept away, such as this one in Shascanbug. This morning the clean-up operation began as the full extent of the damage could be clearly seen. This is the Gweedore Library, which is located in the old church here in Derrybeg. Flooding caused thousands of euros of damage to the books, to the building itself and to the equipment it houses. Evelyn McBride and her daughter were rescued from their florist shop last night by the emergency services.
Just the water just started to come in the door as fast as anything, just a little tap running. The big sea rescue came for me and they ended up at the top window and away in a boat.
This place has been totally devastated with our car parking. Our Tarmacadam has been completely torn apart. Our retail business is closed at the moment with severe damage. Our manufacturing plant has also been severely affected.
Not since the Great Flood of August 1880, when 5 people were drowned at Mass, was such damage caused in Gweedore. The County Council say it will take several days to assess the costs of repairing local infrastructure.
There will be substantial funding needed, but at this stage again it's very hard to get a figure on it.
Several areas are still without water this afternoon. Ennini Reshtan, RTE News, Gweedore in County Donegal.